10-2-2, feel that pressure. Boots on concrete, sweat in the air, low end crawling everywhere. Dockside speakers wide too loud, bassline dirty, draw a crowd. No polish, no velvet rope, just raw frequencies and heavy smoke. Cliffside echo, blacked out room, kick drum hitting like sonic boom. Engine rising, floorboard shake, when it drops, feel the break. West Coast weight in the groove, when the sub hits, you move. Up high, lights down low, feel that sub in your chest plate glow. 10-2-2, hear that call when the bass line hits, we take it.